Since 1988, United Enertech has been designing, developing, and manufacturing air movement and control products that offer innovation, reliability, and excellent lead times. With manufacturing based in Chattanooga, Tennessee, our 185,000 square foot facility is the home of production of louvers, including Miami-Dade approved hurricane louvers, UL listed dampers, FEMA grills, ventilators, and more. With over 30 years of experience, we recognize the fast-paced nature of our industry and the importance of customization. Our team is focused on meeting our customers' needs for quality and speed while maintaining the flexibility to adapt to custom specifications. Our engineering, production, and sales teams make it easy for our customers to get answers quickly. Our engineering managers are sought-after resources, and we have our own in-house testing laboratory for the preliminary testing on UL-listed products. From design to manufacturing to paint finishing to delivery, United Enertech is committed to delivering a personalized customer experience focused on quality.